Now these man, peep this, man. This girl's bringing that motherfucker down right now, man. Where you was at? Sasha versus Charlotte, Hell in the Cell. Bring that shit down. Got my nigga Grizz with me. You know, we up that motherfucking yak. You fucking feel me? Oh, she whooping her ass. Oh, she whooping her ass from the jump. Yo, the shit ain't even, the bell ain't ring. Stop the cell though. That's some shit. But yeah, me and my man Cave cooling. You know, you gotta have your menus when you want to eat, you know. Yeah, we ain't here. I'm about to roll up, y'all.